joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to day 23. This is the eve of our last day in the Advent box for Cora Crea crafts, where I am taking a package each day, opening it up and doing an unboxing, and then using the materials inside that pack to try to create something for a junk journal. If this is your first time here, please know that there is a playlist down in the description box where you can go back and check out all the past videos. And if you're returning, I'd like to welcome you back. So let's get on to opening day 23. This is a pretty big pack. Feels kind of sturdy, so let's see what we've got here. I actually got a little tear, so I think I want to open it here. That way if I end up using this packing material later for something, I can utilize get the most use out of it. So let's open this pack here. And see what we've got for day 23. Okay, it's got a celestial theme. We've got looking at the stars, all the zodiac signs, and it says modern stamp set on the side. Oh, this is great. I love this. Okay, it is a celestial stamp set. It's got the moon phases, which I love, which in my new series I'm working on for 2025, where I am going to be doing a modified version of Gaming Your Life for planning. I do want to track the moon phases in my journal, so this will be perfect for that, and it actually has the moon phase stamp there. Then we've got suns and clouds. It says look at the stars. Got some starburst kind of thing. It's the zodiac symbols. And this looks like, let's see if I can get this out of the box. This looks like a solar system style stamp. Alright, this is beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video here, grab some items, and I'll come back. I've grabbed some items. I grabbed some embossing ink, some regular ink, some various embossing powders, and a bunch of labels and tags. So I'm going to add some music and let's create. For day 23, I decided to do two things. I decided to make a journaling page doing stamping all around the edges as a border of all the stamps that were in the set. That way I would have a reference of everything that was in the set for day 23. And I did that with my jet black StazOn ink. And I did this for a couple of reasons. One, again, so I would have a representation of everything that was in the box. And two, I like to always stamp my brand new stamp pads with the StazOn ink first, because it generally then makes better, crisper images later on with other inks. So I did that first, and then I went and created some embellishments that I can use later on in the journal using the various embossing powders that I had. I had gotten some on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and so I had not tested them out, so I wanted to kind of see what they looked like. So I tested out the colors that I had. The black tinsel did not do as well as I had hoped. It would be great for certain things, but it did not represent that moon phase and the moon phase script very well. So but it did those, it wasn't the stamps, because the stamps stamped very well with the regular StazOn ink. And then I did the look at the stars and then the little purple moon. Again, we only have one more day left, so be sure to hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up that final video for my Cora Crea Crafts Advent unboxing. And in the spirit of the holidays here in the attic, I leave y'all with my beverage choice of the day, a cinnamon, which was in my coffee Advent, another favorite flavor. And let's see what our chocolate is today. Hopefully we've had no unexpected guest, barring our chocolate. Today we have the tiramisu in dark chocolate. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my chocolate and my coffee. Until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.